Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the portfolio and how it all works and how you can create your own projects. So if we take a look at the demo examples, you can see here we provide you with a couple of layouts for each portfolio item, as you can see. And the way these are produced is very straightforward, but we're just going to go through the process of creating our own so you can see how it all works. So we'll go to New and Portfolio and start creating our own. Let's close these. Okay, so I'm going to call this Dan's project, and I'll pop in some blurb. Looks good to me. And we're going to add it to one of our categories. I'll just add this to this one for now. It's important that we add our own featured image, as this is the image which is used to display the project in the portfolio feed and on your portfolio archive page. So what we can do, I'll just pick one randomly from our media library. This one here looks very nice. Oh, actually no, I'll use these. Lovely. Okay, so the important things to bear in mind, obviously so far it's very much like a regular post, but what you'll see at the bottom here is some extra areas, and basically how this all works is you can choose the layout from the two available ones we show you in the demo. We'll choose the full screen hero to begin with, and well, what I'll do before we do anything else, I'll just publish this and we can take a look. So the full screen hero layout, you can see we get a nice full screen image at the top here with the category and title above, and below this we've just got our text, but you'll notice there's a couple of things missing, such as the extra details that you see at the top here, and there's no images below, so we're going to go ahead and add those now. So the extra details that you see at the top are these additional item details here. So we'll give it a title, we'll say client, let's call it private, then we'll add another one, and we'll say date, December 2017. These can be anything, so we can put maybe services, maybe one more. Okay, these are just random to begin with. Now this secondary project information area isn't actually used in the hero layout of portfolio items, so if I just pop in some blurb here, you'll see this isn't reflected on the front end. So if I just update the page and refresh, wait for that to save. Okay, so now our extra details that we've added are here, and below where we've added the secondary product information isn't displayed. That's actually only shown on the slideshow layout. But before we get onto that, you'll notice, unlike in the demo page, there's no images below, and the reason for this is we haven't added them yet. The way we do this is this featured content image area here. So we'll go ahead and I'll just pick, say, 3 random images here. And I'm purposefully not going to go any further. I'm just going to update the page and refresh. You'll see here they stagger for you. They look really good, but the text here is kind of a bit random. And what this actually displays is the image title and caption. So to specify these, we'll open up the image, and here you can see where the title is. We can say a nice day, and in the caption area we can literally pop whatever we want. And the same goes for the other images too. There you go. Perfect. Now if we flip things up and change the project orientation to the minimal slideshow, you'll see the entire project looks completely different. Refresh too soon. Okay, there we go. So you can see we have a nice minimal layout here. We've got our title, etc. there. We've got our blurb, our extra details, and there's that secondary information area that we entered down here that appears on the right. But more importantly, the featured images we've added are now shown in a neat little slideshow. Perfect. Now obviously for best results I'd suggest to use images of the same size, and that'll give you a nice uniform look, but that's really up to you. If you do have any more questions on how to use the portfolio, however, do come see me over at support and I'll be happy to help.